Hey, my name is Stephen Kunen, and I'm an attorney. I'm an intellectual property attorney, and I'm counsel for Global Proving Ground. I was brought in to work on some of their IP matters, to protect their trademarks, and my roles has expanded lately, so I'm doing some of their deals, some contracts, and advising. Global Proving Ground is a unique kind of mixed martial arts organization because it works with local organizations around the country and around the world to make their shows better. It aggregates the fighters, it helps produce better shows, and so it generally raises the quality of those productions. And it also helps and build up its fighters. It helps teach them how to really manage their career, and it also brings people together in a way that it hasn't been brought together in mixed martial arts before, especially with community involvement. There's a big piece of it for that. On the Warrior Island side, there's a concept for a reality TV show based around a sort of a docu-series type of feel, where you really get to find the nitty-gritty of the fighters, how they train, where they live, why they're doing what they're doing, and we're bringing them together on a specific island, taking them out of their environment, where they'll be able to get lessons from masters of martial arts from different parts of the world that have different experience in different disciplines, and there'll be a level of fan interaction where the fans will be able to sort of vote for their fighters to receive different types of training. When you're talking about trademarks, especially for a new organization or any new company really, it's all about protecting the look and the feel and the brands and logos that are being used on the products and services that are put out in the market. So you have the logos for the GPG symbol, you have the Warrior Island symbol, and anything that's going on, any branding or marketing related products. What we're trying to do is aggregate that content and then register those marks with the Patent and Trademark Office, with the Copyright Office for some of the comic books, for some of the films that are coming out, and really getting all that content together and putting the protection in place so that when we do launch and expand further, we'll have already rights in those properties. Again, that really involves sitting down, figuring out what products and logos we're going to be getting and getting protection for them through those different government agencies. A second level to that, though, is then when we're working with our partners, making sure that they respect how we decide to present that brand. To make sure that we have a consistent image across our different platforms, our social media, our marketing, our logos inside the cage, and with our sponsors. Well, at this point, Global Proving Ground has really been doing a lot of work in the back office, getting its business model together, getting the right people in place, shoring up its team, and putting everything in place to really find out what the funding is, find out what the business concept is going to be, and put the right steps in place as to what needs to be done first, to learn from the previous mistakes of different MMA organizations that have come and gone very quickly. GPG is trying to be a house built very solid from the foundation up, and so that takes time. It takes time and money and expertise, and that's really what we've been doing.